had tons of quail in here.
Mm-hmm.
That was fun. They were so awesome.
That's a big load though.
Just stay right here and then go down. Yeah, like that. See, it's kind of leveled out.
Yeah.
That's what we're working on. And then, then we're gonna put a bunch of that chicken bedding over top of it. Just for a couple months. We might take it off like in March.
We're gonna go worm scouting.
Yeah. I don't see any.
They're probably already moved down.
Yeah, there was a bunch in there.
The other day when I went to go put the chickens up, they were the huge worms again. Like.
All right, there you go. Get wide. Make your legs wide.
Radio community and brings us a lot of video gameplay, hence the name The Gaming Ham. But they actually expanded their content in the last little while to include 3D printing. So what they
At least it knows to get back in there. Oh man. Let's get some hay and occupy.
And after a little while, we will add some names to our wheel from our chat. And that is gardening, farming, ranching, camping, fishing, and any outdoor channels, because the creators behind these channels seem to have a similarity between them, an instinctive nature to want to share knowledge and resources with each other. And Smallholder Homestead is no exception, not to mention they're out there supporting other creators as well. It's a large family with 8 children. They live on a 1/4 acre homestead, but they have got some livestock there, and then obviously they're going to inspire us in a spiritual way. But one of the things you'll notice on this channel is a lot of family togetherness and encouragement between family members, which is great. So hopefully everybody will connect with them. We'd love to push them towards the 300 subscribers they're thinking about. Obviously generous, loyal, and dedicated supporters. They have been for a long time, and they dropped a super chat on us, so we wanted to put that channel up right away. Next up, for the same reason, is going to be Kid Wonder, and he's in here with a couple of different channels actually. Kid Wonder's Life.
Thank you, Tuber Chat.
Is a longtime friend of our comment. If you did say something that you were hoping for me to see, just please mention it again. Thumbs up, or I mentioned Tuber Chat Connect and Grow. That should help me see it a little bit easier. I'll keep my eyes open and hopefully catch it the next time. So there are a couple of links, and those are for gold members. That's a bit of a bonus. But here in Tuber Chat, I really try to push the idea of searching, finding, and clicking on channels. You'll notice that I put everybody's name in the search bar and search for them, because we know and we've seen over the last couple of years that especially things that are hard to find will rise up.
Do not get in this. Make sure. It's stinky. Yeah, we only have a couple minutes left on that camera, don't we? Alright. Let's finish the job off camera. Alright, have a great day, guys.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Roman.